Brad Williams, XL Prime. We're going to add up the last 3 months. We're going to use offset, nest that with a count. We're going to start in a different place than we normally do. If we're going to count every 3 months, we need to plant our flag, and we need a starting point after we set our flag. We're going to set our flag at C4. The reason being is we need to count the last row. We need to capture that last row. Instead of manually counting, we're going to use the count function, C5 to C13. Notice here we have offset C4. Where do we plant our flag? C4. What is count C5 to C13? Right here. C5 to C13 is 9. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Who's to say we can't use a negative in our height? Our width is 0. Our height is 0, and our width is -3. And what does that represent? We're going to go down 9 and come back up 3. Here is how it looks. We got offset 4, and we count down, and we have 1285, 1318, 1304. You can easily see this. But if I were to pass this off to someone who's not well versed in any of this, they're going to shrug. They're going to bury this thing. So make sure your notes are clear and that it's easy to follow. Otherwise, you could do this, or you could take sum. And then here's another average. I just use average, offset, and did the exact same thing. And then I just did an average. A lot of ways to get there. Just a matter of who you're working with and whether they understand your logic. You know the drill. Over here, far right, is a comprehensive write-up on offset, analysis, a list in the last 3 months. There's some hints in here. Brad Williams, XL Prime.